interesting journey ahead. And looking forward to the vlogs, the travel trip, and stay tuned. And this is Bagdogra Airport for you guys. एक जगह नहीं था वहाँ बैठने का. Like each and every seat was occupied, and as Indians do it, they block the seats, so a lot of people are sitting on the floor. Bagdogra Airport 15 दिन के लिए बंद था अप्रैल में, and it's still closed like when this vlog is out, because there was some damage in the runway. I've tried to take a clip of that as well. You will probably see it now. And guys, sorry that the clips are not in the correct mode that it should be. I'm just trying to fix my camera angles and everything. So here you can see repairing work चल रहा था. उस दिन भी लगभग 4 से 5 घंटा a lot of flights were delayed, और thankfully Indigo was on time, and like within 1 hour we left, and we finally land in Kolkata, and the story continues. Good afternoon, friends. Today is the 9th, and I am in Kolkata. I am at my guru, elder brother. Yeah, koi bhi bol do. I'm going to show him soon on the camera as well. He's just taking out the car. We are just going out for lunch, and probably you'll be seeing it on the video as well. I am going to Las Vegas tonight, so yeah. I just wanted to record the journey. So I reached Calcutta, and tonight I have my flight for US. I'm going to Los Angeles and then to Vegas, and that is Kaushik Da for you. I don't know if I'm able to capture him, so yeah, sorry guys, I'm still learning camera angles there. Hello Kaushik Da. So yeah, so guys, he's my mentor, guru, and I've known him for more than 15-20 years now. He was my first boss in my I joined Wipro, and he was my first boss. So more than boss, he's like my elder brother. So yeah, you'll probably see him more on the vlogs. We are just going out for some lunch, and then I have my flight in the evening. See you soon. And we reach Westin Calcutta. This is serving 1. We had like 7-8 servings, guys. It was an amazing lunch spread at Westin, and this restaurant is on the 10th floor. View बहुत ही अच्छा है. इनका buffet lunch का जो spread है, it's amazing. There are ample choices of food, salad, everything that you can think of is there. This is the amazing capsule lift that runs from within the restaurant. मैंने ऊपर से भी क्लिप रिकॉर्ड किया था, बट बिकॉज द लिफ्ट वाज स्टॉपिंग इन मल्टीपल प्लेसेस, इट डिड नॉट कम थ्रू वेरी वेल, सो आई एम नॉट पुटिंग इट गाइज, बट देन इट्स अमेजिंग. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे एयरलाइन क्रू भी आता है. आई नोटिस इंडिगो का पायलट्स वगैरह वर देयर इन दिस प्रॉपर्टी एज वेल, एंड दे वर हैविंग लंच. वी हैड अ great time here. We went to the 32nd floor as well. वहाँ से पूरा कैलकाटा का व्यू भी आपको दिखाऊंगा मैं in my next clip, like within this vlog itself. And yeah, I think the buffet lunch was somewhere around 1800 per person, and it is definitely worth it. बहुत ही अच्छा है. I'm sure you can find amazing deals online as well, and you will not regret going here, guys. Definitely recommend it. And continues. Good afternoon my friends, कैसे हो आप लोग? और फाइनली तैयारी हो रही है. अभी मैं हूँ वेस्टिन कैलकाटा में, एंड वी आर ऑन द 31st फ्लोर. एंड गाइज, ये रहा पूरा व्यू. मैं दूसरा भी एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, और वी हैड कम हियर फॉर लंच. मैं और कौशिक दा, जैसे आपने देखा पुराने वाले क्लिप में. इट वॉज अमेजिंग. पेट पूजा हो चुका है. बहुत ही अच्छा लंच था. देयर लंच बुफे वाज अमेजिंग, and I think it is economical as well, so definitely worth a try. And plus the main thing is the view. Even the restaurant, it's on the 10th floor, और it has an amazing view. अगर आप लोग देख पा रहे हो, I don't know मेरा फिंगर सही जगह पॉइंट हो रहा कि नहीं, but I wanted to show that's the विश्व बंगला basically. I don't know if I can see it, but it's somewhere over here. Yeah, my bad. Oh here it is, I can see it. Sorry guys, मेरा camera angle और finger सही नहीं जा रहा, but I'm sure you are able to see it. I'll just zoom it. Yeah, focus डालता हूँ मैं. Yeah, but yeah, it was great, and now we'll go home. एंड देन रात को फ्लाइट है. मैंने अपना RT-PCR टेस्ट का वेट कर रहा हूँ. आई होप फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड नेगेटिव आ जाए. दैट्स अ बिग ट्रबल नाउ फॉर इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल. Though few countries have removed the restriction, but few places have not. And for US, we do need a 24-hour RT-PCR test as well. Fingers crossed. Hopefully, मैं next clip आपको airport से ही दिखाऊंगा. And peace out. Bye.